Hi friends, I am Dr. B.V. Rao of Usha Clinic and founder of the website qmedicaldoubts.blogspot.in and Dr. Raghava medicaldoubts.in. Through these videos, I am providing the basic knowledge about the commonly occurring diseases, treatment and surgery details when necessary for the medical knowledge of general people and for reference to medicals. Today I am going to discuss about the appendicitis, diagnosis and steps of surgery. Appendix. Appendix is small protrusion of the colon at the spot of the cecum. It is present in the lower right quadrant of the abdomen. It is an organ with no specific function in humans. In animals, it is an organ to digest the cellulose. Appendicitis. Appendicitis is an inflammation of the appendix due to the partial or complete obstruction of the appendix. The obstruction may be due to stagnant fecal matter, enlarged lymphoid follicles, worms, trauma, or tumors. The obstruction may cause infection, swelling, pressure over the vessels, and a lack of blood supply to appendix causes gangrene, rupture, peritonitis, inflammation of the cecum, bladder, and sigmoid colon, and peritonitis. If there is a leakage of contents, without rupture, symptoms: pain in the right lower quadrant of the abdomen, loss of appetite due to fever, and fatigue. Nausea due to the pain and malaise. Vomiting causes distress. Diarrhea. It is a rare symptom. Abdominal swelling shows if the infection is for a long time. Low-grade fever due to infection. Pain starts as mild cramps and increases. Rupture will not occur in the first 24 hours. If lasts for more than 48 hours untreated, results in rupture. Diagnosis: tenderness in the right lower abdomen confirms the diagnosis. If there is a rupture, stomach may become hot and swollen. Urine analysis excludes the urine infection and kidney stones. Pelvic examination rule out the pelvic infection and reproductive problems. Pregnancy test excludes the ectopic pregnancy. Abdominal imaging with X-ray, ultrasound and CT scan can confirm or exclude any abscess or any other pelvic complication. Chest X-ray can exclude lower lobe pneumonia, which sometimes may look like appendicitis. Treatment. Treatment varies according to the condition of the case. Rarely, conservative treatment may be helpful. Surgery is the main choice of treatment in case of severe appendicitis. Operation may be performed by open surgery or laparoscopic surgery. In a complicated case, type of surgery depends upon the details of the case. In case of abscess, first treated with antibiotics, abscess drained with a tube placed through the skin, then operated the sterile field. In case of ruptured abscess or appendicitis, major surgery is needed right away. Steps of surgery for safe appendicitis. Incision. Midpoint of line between the umbilicus and right anterior superior iliac spine Incision is made after preparation. Fascia of the external oblique muscle lateral to the rectus abdominis muscle is dissected. External oblique fascia is incised along the length. Internal oblique and transverse abdominis muscles are separated lengthwise by blunt dissection. The peritoneum is cleaned and incised, elevating the peritoneum between the two hemostats. Dissection. Small intestine retracted medially to see the cecum. The tinea coli converge at the base of the appendix, allowing the identification. Retrocecal appendix is identified by incision of lateral avascular attachments. Cecum and base of the appendix are brought out of the incision. The appendiceal artery is divided and ligated down to the serosa of the appendix where it joins the cecum. The appendiceal base is closed. Closing. Once hemostasis is ensured, the abdomen is closed layer-wise. First, the peritoneum, internal oblique, and the transverse abdominis muscles require only loose approximation. External oblique muscle is closed with caution to avoid the herniation. Then the skin is closed. If purulent appendicitis is found during surgery, the skin is left open till it becomes sterile. Post-operative care. In case of acute appendicitis, diet can be given immediately. In purulent cases, diet not given till the rectum and bowel functions are returned. That's all about the appendicitis and appendicectomy. In the next video, I will discuss about some other disease. Thank you.